Welcome back everyone. In this video, we are going to point our server to our domain. So I can go to the free node where I have actually registered website. There I can go to the manage domain option. The main server domain that we are going to use it is mangovps.m. You can take any name. So this is one example I took right now. I can go to the manage domain option. You can find similar options with the other. Here you can have manage free nom DNS option is here. You can click on that. Here actually you can add records. I'll be showing you how you can actually point those things. There are two methods by using two A records. So these are two A records. Okay. Then another method is that one A record as well as one C name. Okay, any of these options can be used. Your domain with your www dot. So I have the domain, I know. Okay, that is mango vps.ml. If you have a confusion, you can directly copy that and paste it over here. So the TTL value you can give as it is given. Okay, otherwise if there is an option for automatic, you can give that. Now the target that you have to give the IP provided by the hosting provider. So this is a unique IP they have provided for you. For that, you can go to service details for this hosted. For each and every service provider, little different the interface, but you can find that. If I am scrolling down, okay, I have IP4, it is given for me. This is the unique IP address that they have given for me. I'm just copying that. Better you should copy those things and keep it in any WordPad. Okay, we'll look into that later in detail. So I'm just copying it. Okay, I can go to the free now. The target, this will be your IP address. And you can click on save changes. That particular A record has been successfully added. I need to add more record. So here I suggested that we can add two A records, right? Next one, same way, you have to give your domain name with the www extension. So I can actually go with add more records. Okay, again here I can actually put that. Here this time I need to keep www dot remaining is same. I have to again give the IP address. That's very important. So I can click on save. Actually, this is enough to point your domain name, but you can also give one more method. That also I am adding an extra one over here. We can use any of this method. Here, if you are going with this name, you have to give example.com. Like instead of that, you have to give your domain name. This is one method that's already we have selected over here. This time we have done. Now how you can add the CNAME, you have to give your full domain name with the www dot extension. Okay, and at the end the address will give your domain without www dot. So that is a difference in the case of CNAME. I am also adding that part also. Okay, first you have to give with full name. Second, here I have to provide without this option. We are not giving your IP address, we are giving like this, but here you have to change the type. This is not A type, this time you are selecting C name. So this is very important. If I select A records, then it will show error because that is not the actual format we have to do. So you have to actually click on C name option here. Okay, after that save that. Yes, we have successfully added two A records and one C name. Maybe you can go with two A records, or you can go with one A record and one C name. That is also fine for that, but I have done two methods together. Okay, so everything is done. Right now, this is not mapped. Take some time. Believe me, it takes some time. Maybe it takes 24 hours. So take that into consideration and just wait for 24 hours. Otherwise, in between you can check. So how you can check that is pointed or not? You can open another tab. This is our domain name. I hope you are remembering that. You may have another domain name. You can open a new tab and search for domain checker or something like that, or DNS checker, something like that. Okay, I'm giving DNS checker. There are a lot of DNS checkers are available. The mostly common one that I am using is what's my DNS.net. You can use a lot of options here. Okay, and anyone you can use. So I am using this one. Okay, what's my DNS.net? That is the most one I am using. Okay, here what you have to do, you have to actually paste your domain name with the complete extension. And what type you need to search? So here it is an A type or C name or name servers. Okay, that we have to select. So we are actually just pointed with the A record. So I can select this as A record. Okay, I can search it. Now it is searching all the servers available. Okay, you can find that it is only updated to one server over here. Okay, that is somewhere in Jamaica. So this all the cross I wanted to confirm that maybe it is not the correct one. It may change actually. Okay, because this is not showing the IP address is provided by my host, and so it may change. Okay, right now it is not loaded on all the different places. So later this all crows will change into tick marks. Okay, so until that we have to wait. Okay, that's very important. Then only we can actually change the host name in our host. We can change that. This is provided by them. It can be changed into our host name. We'll do that. Now I'll show you that. Okay, I have another domain names. Okay, in that how it will look like. I have pointed one of my server to umaido.ml. Okay, this is the one I am just copying, and we are going to actually check that how it will be look like if you check your domain. Okay, now here I am going to replace this with this is the one I already have. It is pointed. Now I am going to check its error code search. Okay, this is to show that you see that the difference. The previous one which is going to record everywhere, so that's why it is given cross. Okay, almost all the servers available. Now you can see that okay, this one umaido.ml has been recorded almost every points in the world. Okay, you can see that only few areas it is not updated. Okay, so till that you should wait, then only we can do the remaining steps. So see you on next video. Okay, after pointing this.